What's up? This is Drex with Central Alps here. We have a 2022 Tundra that we just put a leveling kit on. We've got some 315, 70, 17 BFG KO2 tires wrapped around some 17x9 fuel variant wheels with a -12 offset. So this customer didn't want any trimming done to his vehicle, so we pulled back this carpet a little bit. But if you wanted fully no rubbing on a leveling kit with some 34.5-inch tires, you would have to trim that frame mount. So yes, 315, 70, 15 will fit on a leveling kit with a little bit of rub. Get your 2022 Tundra done today.